What's up everyone, thanks for coming back to the Southern Custom Creations YouTube channel. As you can tell by the title, I've got some things in today. Got a catch can for Mighty Mouse. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so now to show you what we've got the catch can, and I chose the TNA and flare with the 120-degree bracket, visor delete plates, because this, you know, this get all crappy, the visors do on our cars, and then the LS head mount. They got you some instructions, stickers. And let's go to the install. Okay, so hold up, before we get in the shop, I went out there and I tested it to see like what direction the fittings were facing and if that was exactly what I wanted. And so the side one right here is supposed to connect to the valve cover, and then the front one goes to the throttle body. And like I said, I like things clean, so I'm swapping around the fittings. So I took them apart and I was like, well, yeah, I've got to change all this around. I was curious what the inside of a catch can look like, and y'all might be too. So here you go. You just got some material, and this little baffle right here just sat on top of it. And then this is part of the clean side, and this is the dirty side, you know, the inlet side. And then this little piece right here just goes on top. So now I'll put it back together. And by the way, when you're taking apart your catch can, you know, I'm kind of picky. I don't want to scratch up the fittings, so I just took tape, put it around my wrench, and it is a 1-inch. So anyway, I'll get this put back together, and I'll show you me putting it back together, and then we'll meet you in the shop. All right. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is install the head mount bracket, and so here, y'all watch that. Okay, so now the catch can is sitting on there with the little bracket, and so now just to get these lines where I need them ran, and we'll be finished up. Okay, we've got that running off the manifold. That's that 120 running up to right there on the Proform valve covers. What I did have was a little evac setup that ran from here on down to my downpipe down there. And anyway, I didn't like that setup. It was kind of blowing oil everywhere. It wasn't catching it, and so the bottom side of my car was getting nasty, and that was one reason that I decided to go to the catch can. Anyway, I'm happy with how it turned out. Looks great, matches everything, and I know some of y'all are more about function than looks, but it looks and it's functioning great. we'll start up the car and see how it is now. Guys, thanks for watching. The install was simple, and if you have any questions or anything, hit me up in the comments below. Also, check out Mighty Mouse Solutions. You know, I wasn't real sure what to get, sent him an email, and responded back real quick, got what I needed within 3 days. And anyway, I think anyone who orders Mighty Mouse products will be happy with them, and nice quality, easy install. Recommend him for your catch cans. Saw them all over LS1 Tech. And so I figured, well, that's the one to go to, and so that's what I did. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See y'all next time. Unfocus. There we go.
But if you do not have style, if you just say, well, here I am, you know, as a human being, how can I express myself totally and completely?